Hi everyone, Travis here. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to something that has completely changed how I relax at home. The Airsky P1 Recliner. Born for comfort, designed for life. That's exactly what this chair is all about. Whether you're working, gaming, reading, or just relaxing after a long day, this chair adapts to your life seamlessly.
I can't seem to make the police understand.
Let's start with first impressions. The Airsky P1 comes in a gorgeous beige color with genuine leather that is soft to touch but built to last. It feels premium the moment you sit down. The leather is smooth, breathable, and easy to clean. Perfect for families like mine. And check this out. Over 20 steps went into crafting this leather. And it passed 50,000 durability tests. That's serious quality. The chair swivels 270 degrees and rocks 30 degrees, offering a fluid motion that lets you interact, relax, or gently sway while resting. Setting it up was simple. Let's unbox it and assemble it together. Setup is simple, and in just a few steps, your chair is ready for ultimate comfort. Now you just simply connect this to the chair. That's it. You just plug it in and you're good to go. It's a modern, minimalistic design that fits perfectly in my living room without taking up too much space. And it's not just stylish, it's functional. The Airsky P1 features 5-layer seating technology, top grain leather for softness, high resilience foam for support, a reinforced wood and steel frame, plush silk foam for that cloud-like feel, and individually wrapped springs for dynamic support. It feels like sitting on a perfectly balanced cloud. Every curve of your body is supported: head, neck, back, lumbar, hips, thighs, calves. I can sit for hours without feeling stiff or sore. And for effortless comfort, this chair has one-touch powered recline. A simple press of a button and it smoothly reclines between 113 degrees and 137 degrees. Want to sit upright again? Just press the button and the chair goes right back. It also rocks gently 30 degrees and swivels 270 degrees, which makes it perfect for small spaces or multi-purpose rooms. This chair isn't just for adults either. My son loves to hang out here too, reading books, playing games, or just watching cartoons. The chair has dual storage pockets on each side, which makes it perfect for gifts, remotes, or even snacks. The headrest is fully adjustable for head or lower back support. Dual safety buckles keep it secure during rocking. And you can see the neat stitching adds to its premium quality. If you're a parent, this chair gives you a perfect spot to relax while keeping an eye on your little ones.
About my camp dog.
It's supportive, safe, and just makes family time that much more enjoyable. It combines 4 functions in one: reclining, rocking, swiveling, and storage. No clutter, no extra furniture, just one chair that does it all. It's modern, minimalistic, and fits seamlessly into any room. So here's the bottom line. The Airsky P1 is more than just a chair. It's a personal comfort hub designed for the fluidity of modern life. Premium leather, 5-layer support, powered recline, rocking, swivel, and smart storage, all in one sleek package. It's perfect for professionals, new parents, urban families, or anyone who wants high quality, stylish, incredible, comfortable recliner. If you're ready to elevate your living space and experience comfort like never before, check out the Airsky P1 recliner. I've got a special link and discount code below that make it even easier to bring this home. Trust me, once you sit in this chair, you'll never want to leave. Airsky P1, designed for comfort, built for life. I also just have to add, it is amazingly quiet. As you swivel, as you turn, there is no sound. The rocking motion is silent as well. It glides very, very easy. It's like being on a cloud.